I had to cut a tiny bit right there. Just 2 simple bolts into there. It'll sit right here. So yeah, simple enough like I thought. I got the headlights on there. It's not perfect. The passenger side has to be readjusted, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's that gap right there. Passenger side has to be readjusted. But the driver's side, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. And how I adjusted it, well, how I got it to stay up there, the little bracket, it goes right here. It's usually straight and slightly down. I just bent it backwards and it rests right up there. You can't see, it rests right up there. Let me turn this music off real quick before I get monetized. Oh. All right. And if this decides to flap up and down in the wind, which I'm pretty sure it will, I'm just gonna tack weld it right there. There's still a couple tacks. It's thin, so I won't be able. I should be able to if I just turn the heat down. Just weld, take it off, weld it back around there. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Do 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 do. Heck yeah, brother.